Good morning, students. I'm coming out with an audio file and a request being made by one of our old students by name Mabu Subhani. He's one of our best students. Very unfortunate, Mabu Subhani's brother by name Meeravalli is suffering with a major orthopedic issue and he needs a total hip replacement. It's little bit complicated surgery and it involves at least 3 to 5 lakhs medication expenses. So on a request being made by Mahbus Bani, I immediately transferred 10,000 rupees as a contribution from management side, and that's not at all sufficient. An appeal being made by Mahbus Bani, and on a request being made by Mahbus Bani, I'm requesting all our existing as well as the old students to contribute to the best of your ability. Please do transfer. I repeat, please do transfer your contributions to this Google Pay and Phone Pay number 99851 88045. I repeat, 99851 88045. Even your contribution to an extent of 10 rupees or 50 rupees is also appreciable. Please do extend your support, and I request all our in charges to finish this fundraising activity as early as possible. Meeravalli is going to be admitted into hospital for a hip replacement on September 8th itself. They need to make a deposit of at least 3 lakhs at the time of admission into the hospital itself. Thank you, please.